my foot is stuck underneath the bike. Oh boy, okay, let's go. Donkey! There. Just when you thought it was over. When in doubt, you just gotta eat it. Oh, engine. Come back. Like an older generation would say, you just gotta fucking send it night. Before you know it, in the village. Hey, Perito. Here we are. Hola, buenas tardes, Foster. Estamos aquí.
¿Cómo lo he hecho pasar?
Esa es la moto, como viste en el vídeo. Deberías ver que construí. Es un grande camino. Es muy bueno, ahora pueden todas las motos pasar. Dígale a otros pueblos que pueden pasar. En cuanto no hay lluvia, está un buen camino. Señora Fausta, vamos por favor.
Ya, bueno.
Muchas gracias por todo.
Sí, bien, gracias. Cuando algún año vuelva.
Chao. ¡Oye, perrito! Where we going? Donkey! Go! Donkey! Yeah. Isn't this something else, eh? Isn't this something else? We got an hour of daylight. Better not get my boots wet. Yeah. Oh. What a village, eh? Look at this. Almost forgotten to the world. Hola, buenas. Just like that, we're on the other side. Road looking good so far, but the lady confirmed that it's all good all the way. So, Jesus, what a country, eh? So funny, man. The shit that happens when you go slow. Around this corner. That's what takes me down. Not all that other shit I do. This is a new one, folks. My foot is stuck underneath the bike. Ah, scary fucking shit right there. Just lost my front wheel. Whew. That was weird. I've got my foot stuck on a pannier time and a half, but this is weird. And we're back up. This fresh, slippery, grated stuff on a hard surface. I didn't take into account properly how steep this incline is. So all that force that's pushing down on your front wheel when you're taking that corner. Oh, shit happens. Let's roll. I'm just happy that I'm not stuck anymore under the bike. Gotta remove these rocks. Steering needs a little bit more adjustment. And also in Bolivia, the world is getting smaller. It's a shame that spill delayed us and now it's dark almost. But just look at this, hugging the mountain. It's always something a little bit more extra special on a road like this. This reminds me of New Zealand, South Island. You would see the same thing coming down from Remarkables near Queenstown. I'm on my way to Tarija. I might meet up with someone there. Been expecting me since yesterday, but we all know what happened. But it's definitely been a wild last couple of days. What I expected to do in one day turned into two, because these things can happen when you pick the fun route. We're in Tarija.
Hey,
What's on, my dude?
Man,
how's it going, man?
Full up of sun. Nice to meet you, guys. Man, I love that Transalp.
Thanks, my dude. It's the first time I'm speaking English in Bolivia.
First time?
No.
Well, I
Not with
heard
a
you.
gringo.
I saw you in back in uni.
Yeah.
You talked
Well,
a
that's
little
right.
bit.
Yeah, but with a gringo. You're Bolivian, right?
Yes, I'm Bolivian.
There you
I
go.
was born in La Paz,
La
in
Paz.
northern here. You know it.
Yeah.
I live here since 2000.
Since 2000.
Like 19 years now. Yeah.
There's a mystery guest, Ivan, on the shadow, and I can hear his V-twin chugging along. No, follow the shadow. In Tarija. It's warm here, man. Oh damn. All sorts of choices of food trucks. I like this street.
Yeah.
Here we are. Alp will definitely be safe as with another Honda. Not honking at you. My tank bag.
peoples. If you like the videos, please consider supporting the channel, since it takes considerable time to make these. With your help, I can sit down and consistently make new episodes. Check out the link in the description. Thanks.